We start the song.
Yes.
The way we started, we build it. We build it. Where it climbs up, we don't all stand up at the same time.
Yeah.
It's like you understand what is there. Okay, recording. We now practicing to act that this man who's watching his TV at home, he must say, wow. Before Jesus could go outside, him and his disciples, they would plan to say, when we get there, this is what we're gonna act. Exactly. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this DVD to have a life. When you say Hozana to the King, let somebody enjoy you. Not if somebody, there's a choir somewhere is imitating you. I want them to say, yeah, they can sing it. But if Gisubizo can come and sing this song, wow. People must say that. People must say that. Yes, they can sing it, yeah, they can sing it at church, but call the choir, the owners of the song, you will hear the song. If you own the song, own it spiritually and everything, own it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let us try to, even if we play other chords, but I want us to play order.
Yes.
Let us play order so that when we play order, we apply for a long time. Bam, 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 cha, cha, cha. Bam, 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 bam. Sing, bam, sing, bam, sing, bam. Close. Let me get it. That's right. Oh. See what is happening there? I need. I want that. I want it. Let's go. Oh, mommy. Don't let your spirit be led by speaker. Amen. You speaker, you don't have mouth to speak.
In the name of Jesus.
You stick to the song.
Hozana.